my name is Kaylee Cussy. It is August 11th, and we are going to be talking about the digestive system today. So first off, part of our assignment is that we are supposed to be pretending that we are eating a cheeseburger, and it is going to be going through our digestive system and what different structures to be going through. So I'm kind of going to give you a little bit of an example because I'm more of a visual person, so I have to see everything that's going on. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the different structures in the body that are important in our digestive system. So first off, we're going to talk about the esophagus. So the esophagus is located down in the region of the small intestines next to your gallbladder, your pancreas, your large intestine, and your stomach. Also, our important structure in our intestines that I didn't actually know about, or our digestive system, is our rectum. Didn't know that was an important structure. We also have our pharynx, which is another important structure, and our salivaria, yeah, I believe that's what it's called. And after that, we can talk about a little bit about our organs. So our kidney is a good one. We also have our gallbladder, and then we have, I believe it is our pancreas. So pancreas, gallbladder, liver, and kidneys all kind of have to do in this same region. They're kind of stacked on top of each other in our digestive process. So I'm going to talk a little bit about our digestive system process and kind of what goes on. So first of all, we have our gestational tract, our gastrointestinal tract. So this helps support food. It also, I didn't know this, it's 30 to 40 square meters of our body, which is half of a badminton field. Didn't know that. So from there we have our gallbladder, liver, and our pancreas, which creates a tree of organs that helps just to break down our food. And it also, when it breaks down our food, they call it like our special juices that helps to break down our food in our digestive system. So next we have our enzymes, our hormones, our nerves that are also in the digestive system process. So this goes through the liver. So it goes all the way down to get cleaned out in the liver. Then it makes its way to the menstrual system, which this is like it's kind of like the barrier for the small intestines. So it's the mesentery system. Then around is our large intestine. Then around that is our small intestine. This helps supports and positions the organs. So after that is our digestive system process, which this begins before the food even hits our mouth. So let's see if you can see. So you can just focus on him. Okay, so first off, before the food even hits our mouth, we have these little things in our mouth, which would be right in there, called our tongue. So crazy to think, I know. So the tongue is where it all starts. The glands in our mouth start to pump out this thing called saliva. So the saliva then produces, I believe it was 1.5 liters a day, almost 1.5 liters per day of saliva, which helps to break down our food. So we chew that, creating this thing called bolus, I want to say it is called. I'm not 100% sure. A lot of information to remember about the digestive system. So after that, when eating our food, it travels down. So you swallow it, and right by our spine, it's a 25 centimeter tube within our body where it moves down all the way right here. So it's moving down from our throat. It goes all the way down into our esophagus. Then when it moves down, it starts to pound down, and for about, I believe it was 3 hours, breaks down our food. And then when our food is broken down, it goes into the pancreas, the gallbladder, then the liver, and then it gets notified to produce digestive juices. So after it produces digestive system, it travels down into a bile, which is yellow and greenish, and that's kind of how it breaks things down, which after it breaks it down, it leads into the intestines. So that's kind of how eating a cheeseburger would work through the whole entire process. Alrighty, thank you.